For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. Today, you are going to read the passage Dirty and Clean. Let's read the first two sentences together. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word.
Today, we are reading the passage, Dirty and Clean. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? Are you pointing at the first line? That's correct. Now, can you point to where we go when we get to the end of this line? We move to the next line. Wonderful job. Now, let's read the first two sentences together. Follow the red dot as we read each word. We will read each sentence 2 times. Get your tapping fingers ready. The window is dirty. I can clean it. The window is dirty. I can clean it. The table is dirty. I can clean it. The table is dirty. I can clean it. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. You can read it.
Great job reading! How did you figure out the word dish? Did you look at the picture of a dish? Can you point to the word house in the passage? Did you sound out the letters in the word house? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about cleaning the things in a house. Wonderful job! Now we are going to identify letters versus words.
We are going to use the pattern to identify letters versus words. Scholars, how many words do you count? Did you count 4 words? I can clean it. That's 4 words. Next, how many letters do you count? Did you count 11 letters? I, C, A, N, C, L, E, A, N, I, T. That's 11 letters. Awesome job!
It's time to go over letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the correct letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? The first letter is G, G, G. Point to the letter that sounds like G, G, G. The next letter is which letter sounds like the next letter is Point to the letter that sounds like The next letter is Which letter sounds like The last letter is ah, ah, ah. Point to the letter that sounds like ah. If you pointed to the letters G, H, R, V, and O, you got them all right. Give yourself some shine. Now it's time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each picture.
The word is quick, quick. Which letter does the word quick start with? The word is kangaroo, kangaroo. Which letter does the word kangaroo start with? The word is markers, markers. Which letter does the word markers start with?
Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we are going to listen to parts of a word, then put them together to make the whole word. Let's practice. Our first one is p, up, p, up. Put them together. Which word does p, up sound like? P, up, pop. P, up, pop. Say it. P, up, pop. Your turn. P, up, pop. Last time. The next one is f, in, f, in. Which word does f, in sound like? The last one is t, r, t, r. Put them together. Which word does t, r sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We will say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally You will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is mat. Mat. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Mat. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word mat. Scholars, get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. Mat. A, t. A, t. Mat. Which letter sounds like Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like t? Pause the video to write the word mat. The next word is pat. Pat. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Pat. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word pat. P, a, t. P, a, t. Pat. Which letter sounds like p? Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like t? Pause the video to write the word pat. The last word is the word sat. Sat. Say it. Your turn. One last time. Sat. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word sat. S, a, t. S, a, t. Which letter sounds like s? Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like t? Pause the video to write the word sat. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow your